This is an insight from Rahimi Law Firm PC, powered by freshnews.ai. Organized USCIS marriage interview preparation can prevent RFEs, clarify eligibility, and keep your green card case on track. Executive summary. USCIS marriage interviews are structured evaluations that compare a couple's testimony, relationship history, and shared documentation against prior filings and records. The process focuses on consistency across forms, credible details about daily life and finances, and concrete proof that the marriage is genuine. Strong preparation aligns narratives with the paperwork, strengthens evidentiary gaps, and supports smoother adjudication of marriage-based immigration benefits and family unity. Today's signal. If you have a USCIS marriage interview coming up, the officer will compare your answers and shared life proof to the forms and records already in your file. Your interview date can arrive with only a few weeks' notice while you balance work, leases, travel, and expiring status. Rushed preparation can lead to inconsistent answers or missing proof, which can trigger an RFE, a longer review, or a follow-up interview. Rahimi Law Firm enables prepare clients for USCIS marriage interviews by standardizing core operational workflows across end-to-end delivery paths. Why it matters. Here are 4 takeaways. First, your interview notice may give you only a few weeks to gather originals, organize joint documents, and plan time off work, so last-minute scrambling can leave important proof at home. Second, your relationship timeline, addresses, and prior filings must line up across your I-130, I-485, DS-260, and past visa applications, or the officer may doubt your credibility. Third, missing or weak bona fide marriage evidence can lead to a detailed request for evidence or another interview, stretching your case for many extra months. Fourth, your work authorization, travel plans, and ability to remain together in the United States can be affected by how clearly you explain your marriage and respond to hard questions. How it works in practice. After you file your marriage-based case, you receive a biometrics notice and later an interview appointment letter listing what to bring, including IDs and original civil documents. Before the interview, you gather updated joint proof such as leases, bank statements, insurance, tax returns, photos, and evidence of trips or major life events you share. At the appointment, you and your spouse answer questions under oath about how you met, your daily routines, finances, and plans, while the officer compares your responses to your forms and records. If your answers conflict with each other or with what is in your file, or your shared life proof looks thin, the officer may issue an RFE, schedule a second interview, or take longer to decide your case. Careful legal preparation helps you catch inconsistencies, fill documentary gaps, and understand what will be covered. One practical adjustment. Print a simple relationship timeline with key dates and review it together against your I-130, I-485, and supporting documents. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, review collector interview notice, prior USCIS receipts, and copies of everything you previously submitted, and place them in one folder for easy review. Second, review gather updated joint evidence, such as bank and credit statements, leases, utility bills, insurance, tax returns, and recent photos that show your ongoing life together. Third, review, create, and review a joint timeline of your relationship and major life events, checking that dates and addresses match your forms and past visa applications. Fourth, review, schedule a consultation with an experienced immigration attorney to conduct a mock interview, spot inconsistencies, and identify any additional documents you should bring. Read more at rahimilawyers.com.